In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate presentation slides using Gemini AI within Google Slides as of 2025. If you've ever been pressed for time and needed to create a professional presentation quickly, this guide is perfect. By the end, you'll know how to use Gemini AI to make polished slides efficiently. First, open your browser and navigate to Google Slides. Sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Having an account ensures your work is saved safely in the cloud and accessible from any device. Once signed in, you'll land on the Google Slides homepage where all your presentations are stored. To create a new one, click Blank Presentation to start fresh or choose a template to save time. For this tutorial, we'll use a blank slide deck to explore Gemini AI fully. Next, locate the Gemini AI icon in your Google Slides interface and click it. Gemini AI helps automate the slide creation process by offering smart suggestions, formatting text, and adding content to make your slides engaging. Click Try it out to activate its features. Once activated, input your main content or presentation objectives. Gemini AI will suggest layouts, visuals, and text enhancements to make slides visually appealing and easy to follow. It can recommend charts, highlight key points, and restructure your content for clarity. This saves hours of manual formatting while keeping a professional look. You can accept Gemini's suggestions or customize them to fit your style. The AI is flexible, allowing a balance between automation and personal touch. Experiment with options to find the perfect mix of text, images, and graphics to communicate your message effectively. Gemini AI is ideal for tight deadlines, helping you create polished presentations faster without sacrificing quality. And that's it. Using Gemini AI in Google Slides is a simple, efficient way to produce professional presentations quickly, save time, improve workflow, and create slides that stand out. Explore the AI's features, experiment with suggestions, and enjoy making presentations that are visually appealing and impactful. Happy creating!